Starting with problem set 3, question number 16. Let's start with the question. It's given that in the adjoining figure, measured arc CE is equals to 54 degree, measured arc BD is equals to 23 degree, and we need to find measured angle CAE. अगर आपको पहले की एक प्रॉपर्टी याद है, मैंने बताया था एक स्पेशल प्रॉपर्टी थी, measured angle CAE is equal to half of measured arc CE minus measured arc BD. याद आया प्रॉपर्टी? तो एंगल CAE मुझे इस प्रॉपर्टी से मिल जाएगा, तो एंगल CAE, मेजर एंगल CAE is equals to half of measure arc CE, that is 54 degree, minus BD, that is 23 degree, and I'll get half of 31 degree, that is 54 minus 21 is 31, so half of 31 is nothing but 15.5 degree is the value of angle CAE. So I got angle CAE is equals to 50.5. Okay, now starting with the second sub question, it's given that if AB is equals to 4.2, BC is equals to 5.4, and AE is equals to 12 units, then find AE. मैं रब करूंगा इसको. Sub question 2 क्या बोला है? If AB is 4.2, BC is 5.4 and AA is 12, find AD. मुझे देख क्या रहा है? अगर ये ऐसा टुकड़े में अगर बोल रहा है तो मैं टुकड़े में क्या दिखता है? मुझे एक ही चीज दिखती है, 2 secant ABC and secant ADE intersect outside the circle at a point A, then area of the rectangle formed by the two line segment, that is AB into AC, AB into AC, corresponding to 1 secant is equal in area of the rectangle formed by the two line segment, that is AD into AE, AD into AE, corresponding to other secant. क्या आंसर थ्योरम है भाई? Theorem of external division of chord, not internal, because this is intersecting outside the circle. Theorem of external division of chords. Okay now. तो मुझे AB पता है, हाँ मुझे AB पता है. कितना है AB भाई? AB है मेरा 4.2. अच्छा ठीक है, मुझे AB पता है. क्या मुझे AC पता है? नहीं. पर मुझे BC पता है, मैं AC फाइंड आउट कर सकता हूँ. हाँ पहले ऐसा क्या है? AC is equals to AB plus BC. और AB क्या है? 4.2. BC क्या है? 5.4. मुझे क्या मिलेगा? 9.6 units is my AC. समझ में आया आपको? तो ये मेरा AC क्या है? 9.6. Okay. Now talking about AD. AD तो फाइंड आउट करना है मुझे. AD मुझे फाइंड आउट करना है. और AE कितना दिया हुआ है? 12 दिया हुआ है. तो ये 12 यहाँ मल्टीप्लिकेशन बॉर्डर क्रॉस करें डिवीजन हमें मिलेगा into 9.6 upon 12 is equals to 80. Okay. अब 12 1 सा 12 8 सा 96 आता है, पर मैं यहाँ लिखूंगा 0.8 सा. And 4.2 into 0.8 is nothing but 3.36 units. So my AD will be 3.36 units is the value of my AD. समझ में आया आपको? Okay now. Starting with the third sub question, it's given that if AB is equals to 3.6 and AC is equals to 9 units, AD is equals to 5.4 and AE we need to find. तो मुझे क्या दिख रहा है फिर से फिगर में? मुझे ये चीज दिख रही है कि 2 secant ABC and secant ADE intersect outside the circle at a point A, then the area of the rectangle formed by the two line segment one is AB into AC. देखूंगा यहाँ AB into AC corresponding to 1 secant is equal in area of the rectangle formed by the two line segment, that is AD into AE corresponding to other secant. Okay, ठीक है. अब मुझे दिया हुआ है AB की वैल्यू है 3.6, AC की वैल्यू है 9, AD की वैल्यू है 5.4 और AE की वैल्यू we need to find out. And this is by the theorem of external division of the chord. समझ में आपको लिखना है theorem of external division of the chord. अब क्या करना है, AE फाइंड आउट करना है, तो AE को अकेले रखेंगे. 5.4 मल्टीप्लिकेशन में बड़ा क्रॉस करेगा डिवीजन, we will get 3.6 into 9 upon 5.4 is equals to AE. मुझे क्या मिलेगा, 9 1s 9 6 पर पॉइंट है इसलिए 0.6. ओके, अब पॉइंट दो रहे तो 6 1s 0.6 1s 0.66 36. So I get AE is equals to 6 units. Not 36, but 3.6. So I got the value of AE as 6 units. I got the value of AE as 6 units. Okay, now let me show you the presentation in exams. How do you present it? Okay, now. So I get CAE is nothing but half of angle measure arc, half of measure arc CE minus measure arc BD. That is nothing half of 54 minus 23. That is half of 31. That is nothing but 15.5. 15.5 degree. And now AD into AE is equals to AB into AC. Theorem of external division of chords हमने निकाला. हमको पता नहीं था कि what is AC, तो हमने AC निकाला, AB plus BC, that is 9.6. Then we substituted the value over here. We got AD is equal to 2.2 into 9.6 upon 12. That is nothing but AD is equal to 3.36 units. Now, okay. Solving the last one, AE into AD is equals to AC into AB by the theorem of external division of chord. We are knowing all the values except AE because we need to find AE. So we got AE is equals to 9 into 3.6 upon 5.4. And 9 1s are 9 0.6 0.6 1s are and 0.66 are 3.6. So you got the value of AE as 6 units. If you like this video, do share and subscribe. Thank you.